Ever sat in Waikiki traffic and thought, why didn't I rent a moped?
Or wish you had an AC and 4 seats instead of a soggy backpack?
Let's settle this once and for all. We're breaking down the real pros and cons and island tips to help you make the best call for your Hawaii adventure.
Let's talk about parking. Mopeds, you can park at most bike racks right next to the beach.
Meanwhile, with a car, expect hotel parking fees, limited beach spots, and the classic Waikiki meter hunt, my personal favorite. Need to hit the North Shore, Kolomina, or cruise the full island loop? Car's your best bet, full freeway access, no mileage limits.
Mopeds are great for the southeast coast, Diamond Head, Hanauma Bay, Makapuʻu. But keep in mind, top speeds, only 35 and highways, are totally off limits.
Car gives you comfort, AC, tunes, and no surprise sunburn. Plus, you can bring all your beach gear without having to strap it to your back.
This isn't just a ride, it's a vibe. A moped lets you feel the wind, see the view, stop anywhere, anytime. You're in the moment.
Beach chairs, umbrella, cooler. Car's the winner if you want to roll up ready for a full beach day.
Moped packing tip, think like backpack, towel, snorkel, and that's about it.
Got kids or group of +4? A car keeps everyone together cool and safely buckled. Plus strollers and baby bags, way easier.
Couples or small groups, mopeds make it fun and easy to explore together. Plus, you look cool.
Hawaiian weather can flip fast in a car, no big deal.
On a moped, let's just say bring a poncho. Always check the National Weather app before starting your adventure.
Local tip, always lock your moped and don't leave valuables in your car. Most tourist spots are high theft areas. So now the million-dollar question, which is better for your Hawaii adventure? If cruising with the AC, seeing the island in a day speaks to you, try this full island loop. Waikiki, Haleiwa, Waimea, go Plantation, then back to Waikiki.
If exploration and winding your hair is more your style, try this day trip. Diamond Head, Kokohead, Makapuʻu, Kailua, back to Waikiki. Gorgeous coastline all day long.
So here it is, parking, weather, cost range, we've shown it all. It's not about what's better, it's about what suits your adventure style for your island cruise. Want space, freedom to roam, and all your beach gear? Grab a car.
Want adventure, easy parking, and an island air in your face? Rent a moped.
Or try both and book it with GoGo Rental in Waikiki. Click the link in the description to book your ride today. Mopeds or cars, no mileage limits, all aloha. And don't forget to like, comment with your pick, and subscribe for more Hawaii travel tips.
This is Caitlin
And Mike from GoGo Rental.
See you on the island.